Now, the next thing that I need to do is to update a record. So if I would like to change the spelling of the Allen from A-L-L-E-N to A-L-A-N, I will write an update command, update, followed by the name of the table, and I will set the employee name field to Alan. However, if I stop here, it will change everybody's name to Alan, which is not a good idea. So I will take help from the where clause, which will help me only update the employee with employee ID 33333. And upon pressing enter, it tells me that one row is updated successfully. And I can check that by simply visiting the table employees 2020, and as you can see, Alan was changed from A-L-L-E-N to A-L-A-N. You can also update multiple fields at the same time. However, we are not looking into that in this particular tutorial. Next thing is we will learn how you can delete a record.